You may have been following, we've got a big back and forth going about the tax cuts. What I wanted to do today is just break it down real simple so you can understand exactly what the debate is about. President George Bush passed tax cuts that will expire at the end of this year. And what I've done here is we got a ruler and measured out the size of the tax cut, is how big the circle is, by your income, which is listed at the top, from low incomes up to people who make more than $1 million a year. Obama would preserve a couple $1,000s a year tax cuts for virtually all Americans, and even for people who make a lot, they get to keep the tax cut on the first $250,000 of their income. Under the Republican plan, however, people making more than $1 million a year, they're going to be getting a tax cut of more than $100,000. That's expensive. Giving these big red eggs to the very high income people would cost $700 billion that we would have to borrow to give it. If you ask objective economists and analysts around the country about what is effective, you will find that everyone agrees that these giant tax cuts for very high income people are the least effective thing that we can do to get the economy growing. And so what's happening in Congress is that the people that want this are saying nobody here can get any of these tax cuts unless we agree to give this big red goose egg to the people making more than $1 million a year. It doesn't make any sense, it costs too much money, and then we know it doesn't work.